Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I would like everybody to educate everyone about a phenomenon that has taken over in the last few days. Most people don't really know about what the impact of Crowdstrike actually, that it is mostly enterprise, and I've even seen some news on TV that kind of really didn't talk correctly about or give the information that should have been given, that regular folks, we're not affected by this. Nobody in the world of personal computers at home uses CrowdStrike, so no one's impacted at home. PC users in general, and the majority, anyways, 99% are not. But there's been a lot of reports of scammers taking a quick first run at trying to get people and lure people into being scammed. A lot of it by email. So you might receive an email that says, well, this is, CrowdStrike, your computer is using CrowdStrike, Falcon, or whatever. They're trying to kind of lure you and tell you, well, you are impacted by this and your PC might actually crash, and you should click this link and we'll put you in touch with some people, or call this number. We'll put you in touch with a tech guy that's going to help you out. And of course, they're going to scam you out of money. And there's been also an increase in phone calls from scammers trying to say, we're calling concerning your PC because it's impacted by the recent, you might have seen on the news, the recent CrowdStrike problems. Well, your PC is impacted. We need to actually clean it and make sure that it doesn't crash. So we're going to help you out through the process. You're going to give us access to your PC so we can actually take control, and then, of course, once again, scam you for a lot of money. So do tell everybody that around you that might not be very tech savvy, and that probably has seen, because I think everybody has at some point seen some news about it, either online or through the TV outlets, especially when it was really at its maximum on Friday. Do tell everybody, these are scams, that no, it is not true that your PC is going to have problems because of that. Only enterprise PCs were affected pretty much, and regular PCs are not affected. So there's no problem there, and if there should have been a problem, it would have happened already. Sorry, guys. So, warn everybody that could be easily fooled by these scammers. Unfortunately, a lot of bad guys out there are trying to make money over, the fact that a lot of people don't have a lot of knowledge on PCs, are not very tech savvy, and might actually believe whatever these scammers are trying to tell you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.